JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering JP Morgan's self-directed investing platform, here's what you need to know before diving in. This platform is designed for investors who want control over their portfolios without paying commissions on US stock and ETF trades. It's an attractive choice for beginners and intermediate investors looking for a trusted name with no account minimums and a straightforward interface. Key features include real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and access to JP Morgan's research and insights, which gives you an edge when analyzing stocks and ETFs. But it's not without its drawbacks. While commission-free trading is a great selling point, options trading costs 65 cents per contract, which could add up for frequent traders. Also, if you're looking to trade mutual funds or bonds, you'll be charged a fee, which makes it less attractive for those seeking a truly low-cost investing experience across all asset classes. The platform's interface is user-friendly, but may feel basic for experienced traders who are used to more advanced charting tools or technical analysis capabilities found on other platforms like TD Ameritrade or E*TRADE. Customer support is solid, with access to phone support and a robust FAQ section, but it's not 24/7, which could be a downside if you need help outside of business hours. One thing to keep in mind is that JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing doesn't offer access to cryptocurrency trading or futures, which might be a deal breaker for investors wanting a wider range of investment options. In summary, JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing is best suited for long-term, cost-conscious investors who want a simple platform with solid research tools. If you're a beginner looking for ease of use and trust in the JP Morgan brand, it's a solid option. However, if you're an advanced trader or someone who values 24/7 support and broader investment options, you might find it limiting.